All right, I might be wrong, but I think this is actually the Kelley School of Business. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is at Indiana University, Bloomington. And we have Dovers again. Nice cabs. Let's go up to 3. Let's get a cab view. Very nice cabs. I really like these. And this is a bit of a sigh of relief. I've been finding a lot of Dover traditionals with VR. This is kind of nice to see other than Monitor TR. Oh, this is actually the Graduate and Executive Ed Center. Well, I mean, it's labeled on Google Maps as the Kelley School of Business. And it's got a 5,000 pound capacity. And that'll be it.